Hi friends, I'm Sarah Martin with the Contoured Chemist. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. Today's a little different. It is actually the weekend and I'm getting ready to go to a theme park with my children all day. It's gonna be probably in the upper 90s and I thought, why don't I share one reason why I actually became an artist with this company, and that is the wear time you can get from this makeup. So that was like my final test. I loved the makeup, was obsessed with it, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wear this. And it was actually 2 years ago, probably almost to the day, that I went to the same theme park with my kids. And when this makeup lasted all day, I was sold. So I get asked all the time if this makeup has great wear time, and some misconceptions because sometimes people say it wears off so quickly. And I just want to clear the air. If your makeup, this makeup will last if it is the right color. So I feel like so many times when I'm troubleshooting, I can tell you if it wears off in a couple hours, you're wearing way too light a highlight, which unfortunately is like a common mistake, is getting too light a shade. So I'm here to tell you, and I'm going to show you how I apply my makeup for a day. And I know I'm gonna be sweating. Sounds bad, but I know it's gonna be hot. This is how I get the most wear. And let me tell you, 2 years ago, I just put it on and it still lasted all day. I didn't even use stay spray. I didn't use powder, nothing, and it still lasted. But I went ahead and did like the full routine of how I do it if I need my makeup to last. And you can watch that. And then I'm gonna come back probably really sweaty, and later tonight, I'm gonna see how late I can go before I need to take a shower, and I'm going to share my results about what it looks like. So I'm gonna take some before and after pictures, and hopefully this helps debunk the myth that this makeup does not last, because I'm telling you, I promise you it does. So keep watching, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button if this helped you, and thanks for watching. Hi, friends. All right, it's time for a check-in. I've been at the theme park all day. We got rained on. I played in water with my kids, and it was hot, and I was sweating, which is why I wore activewear. So I've been on this hat this whole time. Look at this hat hair. I know. It's real good to show you guys this. So besides the obvious wear off, because I'm one of those people that does this because a hat itched my head, I feel like almost 12 hours did pretty darn good. So I've got some marks from my sunglasses, but other than that, in my forehead, my contour is still going strong. I didn't reapply anything. I need some lips maybe, but other than that, yeah, we're all ready for night-night. You ready for going night-night? You ready? It's mommy's ready to go night-night. So that's my update. I'll share some before and afters, but I think we can call this amazing wear.